Now the next concept, volume of solids, solids volumes. Now we are going to discuss about volumes. So volume, what is a volume? So the space inside the container, means whatever it is, either it is a cube, cuboid, whatever. So whatever the space is there inside, that is the volume. The space occupied by the space means inside how much space is there to keep something. So that is the volume. So now here volume of a cube. So this is cube, means in a cube all 6 faces are same. All 6 faces are square in shape. In cube all 6 faces are square in shape. Then what is the volume of cube? Volume of a cube is all the sides are same. So this length and this breadth and this height all are a. So volume of a cube is a cube, that is length into breadth into height. Length is a, breadth is a, and height is a. So that is why a into a, that is a cube. The units are in cubic units. Volume is always in cubic units. Cubic units we have to write in units cube. It means it is in meter cube. If meter is given, then we have to take in meter cube. If centimeter, centimeter cube. If meter, meter cube. If kilometer, kilometer cube. Area is in square meters. Volume is in cubic meters, cubic units, and so perimeter is same in the units. Whatever units are there, that units we have to write. Perimeter nothing, no cube, no square. But area is in square meters, square units. Perimeter is in cubic units. Okay. Now, here in example, find the volume if the length of one side, volume, if the length of, find the volume if the length of one side, only one side is given, means that is cube. Only one side is given, means that is cube. Then cube volume. So volume of cube is equal to side into side. So what is the side here? 2 centimeters into 2 centimeters into 2 centimeters. 3 times we have to multiply. 2 centimeters into 2 centimeters into 2 centimeters. Now 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. Here centimeter is there, no? Centimeter cube. We have to take centimeter cube. Volume is always in cubic units. Okay. Now in the second example, find the volume if the length of one side is only one side is given, means that is cube. That is cube. Here volume of cube is equal to side into side, that is a into a. What is the side here given? 3 centimeters into 3 centimeters into 3 centimeters. Now multiply. 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27 centimeter cube. Okay, if side is 3, then cube volume is 27 centimeter cube. If side is 2, then volume of cube is 8 centimeter cube. Okay. Now the next one, volume of a box. Then what is the volume of a box? Box means cuboid shape, rectangular box. When the box is in the shape of rectangle, then what is the volume? That is length into width into height. Length into width into height. We have to multiply length, width and height. Volume is always in cubic units, that we know. So in the example, so find the volume, so with the length 5 inches, height 2 inches and width 4 inches is given. So length is given and width is given and height is given. Okay. Then volume is equal to length into width into height. What is the length here? Length 5 inches. What is the width here? This is the width 4 inches. And what is the height here? 2 inches. Now multiply. 4 5s are 20, 5 4s are 20, 22s are 40. Total 40 inches. 40. This is the volume of the box when length, width, height. So, respectively 5, 2 and 4. Now, here the second example, one LED TV was put in a box. So, box length is given 2 feet, height is given 3 feet and width is given 0.5 foot. Then what is the volume of the box? Volume of the box is equal to length into width into height. Here inches is there, no, inches cube we have to take. Why? Because inches cube, here units are in cubic units. Okay. Then length, what is the length here? Length is 2 feet and width is 0.5 feet, foot 0.5 foot, and height is 3 feet. Then now we have to multiply 2 into 0.5. 2 into 0.5 is 1. 1 into 3. 1 into 3 is 3. 3 feet cube. Cubic feet. This is the volume. Now the next, volume of pyramid. So this is a pyramid. So this is a base in square shape. So this is base, then this is the height. This is height, pyramid height. Base and height is there. So this is the base and this is perpendicular altitude, that is height. So then what is the volume of the pyramid? That is base area into height divided by 3. Base area, if the base is in square shape, we have to find square area and multiply with height. So that product we have to divide with 3. Then you will get your volume of a pyramid. If volume of a pyramid is in triangular shape, then we have to take here base area of a triangle. Area of a triangle multiply with height, and that product we have to divide with 3. If a base is in shape of rectangle, then base area, so we have to use here rectangle formula. Rectangle formula, that is length into breadth, and height we have to take. So that divided by 3. So in this way we have to find volume of a pyramid. Okay. Now in example, a square pyramid. Here it is a square pyramid. Square pyramid means 4 sides are equal. 4 sides are equal. This is square pyramid. This is square pyramid. In this square pyramid, side is given. This side is 9 meters. 9 meters side, and height is 9 meters and side is 4 meters. Side is 4 meters and the height from here to here, the height is, this height h is 9 meters. Then what is the volume? What is the volume? So here square pyramid side, square pyramid, square pyramid side is equal to 4 meters. Height is equal to 9 meters. Then pyramid volume is equal to base area into height into divided by 3. What is the base? Base is in the shape of square. So area of a square we have to take. Area of a square, that is side into side. Area of a square, base area is nothing but side into side. Side into side into height by 3. Why here we are taking side into side? Because the base is in shape of square. So that is why side into side we have to take. Side, what is the side here? 4 meters into, again side means 4 meters into, what is the height here? 9 meters. divided by 3. Now 3 1s are 3 3s are 9, 3 3s are 9. Now 4 4s are 16, 16 3s are 48. 16 3s are 16 3s are 54. 16 3s are 48 only, okay. 16 3s are 48. Meter into meter into meter, meter cube. 16 3s are 48 meter cube, okay. So now, so how side into side means 4 into 4, the side is 4 meters, 4 into 4 we have to take into, and the height is 9 meters, so multiply with height. Now cancel 3 and 9, 3 1s are 3 3s are, okay, 48. Now multiply 4 4s are 16, 16 3s are 48, meter into meter into meter, meter cube, okay. Now next, volume of solids in that rectangular pyramid volume. Rectangular pyramid volume, so then how to find rectangular pyramid volume? So then here the base is rectangular shape, so this is the height, here to here this is the pyramid height, height and rectangular base. Then what is the volume? Volume of pyramid is equal to, so base area into height by 3. So base area, base is in rectangular shape, so rectangle area, that is length into breadth we have to write, length into breadth into this height as it is by 3. Area, what is the area here? If whenever rectangle is there, so rectangle area we have to apply here. Rectangle area is length into breadth into this height as it is by 3, okay. Now here in this word problem, what he has given an example, rectangular pyramid height is given 10 centimeters, sides of the base 5 centimeters and 3 centimeters, length and breadth is given. Then what is pyramid volume? So then base sides, pyramid base sides are 3 meters and 5 meters, and pyramid height is equal to, pyramid height is 10 meters. Then pyramid volume, this is rectangular pyramid, here we should mention here rectangular pyramid, rectangular pyramid volume is equal to, so base is in rectangular shape, base area is length into breadth and the height is same by 3. What is the length here? 3 meters, breadth is 5 meters, height is 10 meters by 3, all are in meters, so meter cube we have to write, 3 3 get cancelled, 5 10s are 50 meter cube. This is rectangular based pyramid with a height 10 meters, volume that is 50 meter cube. Now next, volume of a triangular pyramid volume here. So this is base is in triangular shape and this is the height, this is height. Then so what is the volume? That is base area into height by 3. Base area is in triangular shape, so then area of a triangle formula, half into base into height, First we have to find the area of the base, that is in triangular shape. So area of a triangular base area we have to find, so that we have to multiply with height and divide with 3, then you will get, so volume of triangular pyramid. So for that one example is given, a triangular pyramid having height, triangular pyramid height is given and it has base 4 centimeters and height 3 meters. Then what is the volume? Here first triangular base base is 4 meters, height that implies triangular base area, triangular base area is equal to half into base into height, half into, what is the base here? 4 meters. What is the height here? 3 meters. 2 ones are 2 twos are 3 twos are 6 meters square. This is base area. Now triangular pyramid, triangular base pyramid volume, base into height by 3. What is the base area? 6. What is the height here? Height is 8 by 3. 3 ones are 3 twos are 8 twos are 16 meter cube. So volume is in meter cube. Okay, volume is in meter cube. Now here, so in activity 4, the first word problem, see here, Sally has a chocolate box. This is a chocolate box. So where length is 12 centimeters, height is 8 centimeters and width is 6 centimeters. Then find the volume of a box, volume of a box. So volume is in cuboidal in shape, cuboidal in shape. So chocolate box length is equal to 12 centimeters, height is equal to 8 centimeters, width is equal to 6 centimeters. Now volume we have to find. So box volume is equal to length into width into height. What is the length here? 12 centimeters into 8 centimeters into 6 centimeters. Now 12 centimeters same, 8 6 are 48, centimeter into centimeter, centimeter square. Okay. Now 12 we have to multiply with 48, 12 8s are 96, 9, 12 4s are 48, 48 plus 9, 48 plus 9, 57, 576 centimeter cube, 576 centimeter cube. This is volume of the box. Now the second, Jim made a rectangular prism. This is rectangular prism. The length is 4 meters and height is 4 inches. The height is 10 inches. Here the height is 10 inches and the width is 6 inches. Find the volume of rectangular prism. Rectangular prism volume he is asking. Then rectangular prism. So length. So what is the length? 4 inches. Height is equal to 10 inches and width is 6 inches. Then prism volume, length into width into height. What is the length here? 4 inches, width 6 inches, height 10 inches. Now multiply. 4 6 are 24, 24 10s are 210, 4 6 are 240, 240 inches cubic inches. Okay, this is the volume of this rectangular prism. Now students, next question, find the volume of a cube shown. So this is a cube given. So here side 10 centimeter, 10 centimeter and 10 centimeter. Side is 10 centimeter. So then we have to find the volume. So here cube side, that is A is equal to 10 centimeters. 10 centimeters. Now, cube volume formula A into A, side into side. Side is 10 centimeters into again side means 10 centimeters, again side means 10 centimeters. Now 10 tens are 100, 100 tens are 1000. So then 1000 centimeter cube. This is the volume of cube. Okay. Now here find the volume of a solid shown in the figure. This is a solid given. Here the length is given 7 feet and width is given 6 feet and height is given 4 feet. Then solid length 7 feet and width is 6 feet, height is 4 feet. Now solid volume, solid volume is equal to length into width into height. What is the length? 7 feet, width 6 feet, height 4 feet. Now, so 7 6 are 42, 42 4 are 4 2 are 8, 4 4 are 16, 168 feet cube. 48, no? 7 6 are 48. So then 48, 7 6 are 42, 4 2 are 8, 4 4 are 16, 168 feet cube. This is the volume of a solid. Okay. Now see here. So now in the lab activity. So what is the main aim of this lab activity? So the main aim is to explore area and perimeters. So now you take some rectangular boxes. So some means 100, so 50 rectangular boxes you have to take. Then after that some rectangles we have to shade. So this is one rectangular part. So this is one rectangular portion we shaded. So this rectangular portion area we have to find. What is the area of this rectangular portion? This rectangular portion area. So see here. So how many boxes we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. In lengthwise we have 6 boxes. In breadthwise we have 2 boxes. Means area of this is equal to length into breadth. Length 6 boxes and breadth 2 boxes. 6 2s are 12. Total 12. This is the area. Square units. Now perimeter. So what is the perimeter? How to find perimeter? 2 into length plus breadth. In length how many boxes we have? 6 boxes. In length 6 boxes. In breadth 2 boxes. In length how many boxes we have? 6 boxes. 6 boxes. Total how many boxes? Just we have to count how many boxes total we have. So total 6 boxes in lengthwise. Total 6 boxes we have lengthwise. And now the perimeter is, so 2 into length plus breadth. 2 into. In length how many boxes we have? 6 boxes. And in breadth we have 2 boxes. That is equal to 2 into 6 plus 2 is 8. 2 8s are 16 units. This is perimeter. This is area and this is perimeter. Okay. Now another rectangle we have to form. This is another rectangle. So in this rectangle. So then in this rectangular shape, then how many boxes in lengthwise? In row wise? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12. And in column wise 1 box. Then area is equal to length into breadth. Length is 12, breadth is 1. 12 ones are 12. 12 ones are 12 square units. Now what is the perimeter? Perimeter 2 into L plus B. L is 12 and B is 1. Then 2 into 12 plus 1, 13. 13 2s are 26 units. This is perimeter of this rectangle. 26 is the perimeter of this rectangle. Okay. Now another rectangle we formed here. This is another rectangle. So what is the area of this rectangle? Area of this portion. So in length wise 1, 2, 3 and in breadth wise 1, 2, 3, 4. Means length into breadth 3 into 4. 3 4s are 12 square units. Square units. And what is the perimeter of this portion? Perimeter is equal to 2 into length. Length is 3, breadth is 4. 2 into 2 plus 4 is 7. 2 sevens are 14 units. Okay. So in this way we have to find the area and perimeter of the boxes. More rectangles, you form more rectangles. So from these boxes, so more rectangles, you shade more rectangles and find area and perimeter. Okay.